wash off. Hi guys. Whew, end of a long day. I'm just about to get unready, and I thought you might like to join me. I don't really consider that I've got a rigid skincare in place, but when I've got all my bits together, I guess there's some kind of thing that I do every night. Well, most nights. I've kind of got to the stage now where Johnny has seen me without makeup for some length of time. On holiday, we just got back most days, so yeah. Anyway, so regardless of that, here I am. I've been at work all day, and this is what's left. I put a very little amount of makeup on this morning, and yeah, we're left with the dregs. I've got a red line here. Zoom you in. So I'll have one day I'll get it right. Yeah, you know, I just did it in a hurry this morning. I had some envelopes to sort out. So anyway, I'll list all the products I use down below, and I've got a bowl of water here if you hear it swishing around. I've forgotten to put my microphone on. God, what am I like? It's been ages since I've been here. My dad's not been too well, and we've just got back from seeing him in Tenerife. So I'll chat to you a little bit about life and how it's been, and I'll put these ears on because they help me look super cool. And let's take off this stuff. Start with my eyelashes, which I think I've actually managed to put on 2 different types this morning, and it shows you how tired I am. Had a late landing flight-wise, so that's it. I've tried some kiss lashes the other day. Whoa, they were massive. I felt like I was going to trip over them. Right, so that's my lashes off. So I just want to go through with you exactly what I do, and it's just the same stuff every time. This Garnier Micellar Water, I've tried lots of them. I do a double cleanse, but this one is no perfume, no nothing, for sensitive skin. And I've got 7,000 bottles. I'm going to do an empties. I'm so pleased. I've got like a stack of stuff over there that I use. Oh, do you like my nails? I've got a stack of stuff over there that I'm going to do an empties, but yeah, I'm not quite sure how that's going to go. Anyway, so I have got these. These are amazing. I wasn't sure what colour to use. I've got 10 of these, and these are from Amazon. I'll list them down below. They're microfibre cloths, and I was a skin wipe kind of girl to take off my makeup every night, and I thought it was fantastic until I tried these, and I will show you exactly what I mean. So what I do is, because these are quite long, as you can see, they're not like a normal face cloth, I just get the end bit, and I just squirt on, you know, ample amount, size of a, we're going to go into money again, I don't know, quite a big size blob, and I'm literally going to rub it all over my face. And yeah, after a long day at work, this feels really nice. I've got a spot up my nose. Is it? Take off my eyebrow, look. See what difference it makes. You have to have eyebrows. And I just rub this all over. Oh. I'm a bit gentle around my eyes. Angie from Hot and Flashy says I mustn't tug up my skin around my eyes, but oh, we do like to rub it, girls, don't we? We do like to rub it at the end of the day. So, depending on what mascara I've had on, this doesn't always come off. I've been using the YSL one on holiday, the waterproof one, and yeah, so you can see I've got bits all around my face, but that's it. So that's that, and I've just got like a dirty bit on here. That's it. That was my American accent, sorry, I didn't mean to yeah. Right, okay, so I've got the rest of it left, and this is what I do next. This is from Marks and Spencer's, and it's a Ultimate Cleanse Rose Cleansing Balm, natural, vegan and effective. I'll show you what it looks like. And I've hardly got any left, and yeah, it looks like snot, and it does smell slightly of rose. This stuff is amazing. It's about $14, £12, something like that. I've got one that I decanted for my holiday because I can't be without it. This probably lasts about 3 or 4 months, and this I go in with this afterwards. So, you know, realistically, let's be honest, when I've wiped all of that off my skin, but if it was a wipe, you'd think, oh, that's great, it's all gone. I'll show you there's not all gone, and you will, if you're not a cleansing kind of person, you will be. I've put way too much on there. Scoop some back off. So I'm going to dub it around my face, and we're going to go all over. This is it's like an oily something or other, and this is when I get it on my eyes, and I really smooth around my lashes, because obviously I've got glue left over. Shall I zoom you in? I put grease all over the... Oh! Now I've got grease all over the lens. Anyway, so you can see what my skin's really like. Just massaging it in all over. In my eyes again, you can see that there's obviously still some residue there, because I've got black all around my eyes. Around my nose. Around my lips. I find myself getting quite a bit of dirt around my lips in the day. Not quite sure why. Probably I'm a messy eater, for sure. So, let me zoom you back out again. Whoa, oh, what a mess. Right, okay, so with the bit that's not got dirt on it, I normally do this over the sink, but I thought I'd try this in front of you in the water. This is going to go disastrously wrong, but hey. So, I just wring off the water. I bet that sounds nice, doesn't it, on the thingy. And I've got, as you can see, a wet cloth. Right. I had visions of this being like a spa video, you know, a candle going in the background. But I decided, no, Julie, just keep it real. Show what it's really like on a daily basis. You know, we don't want to have little fluffy towels in our hair and blah, blah, blah in the bathroom. Life's not like that, is it? So, anyway, gentle around my eyes again. My lashes are still growing from the Revitalash. I do love it. I'm just about to order some more. My sister's going to buy some too. There you go. Look how dirty my face still is. So, round my mouth again. This bit here of my nose, I do believe, gets kind of neglected, if I'm perfectly honest. And if I... Yeah, look, there's still a bit coming off. If I'm perfectly honest, I don't pay much attention to that bit. And then if I ever get, I don't know, like blackheads, it just looks like that bit there's always dirty. Got a bit of glue on my finger now. So yeah, I probably muffled all of that with the microphone. I'm sorry if I did. So that's it. That's it. Obviously, if I've had a shower or a bath, then I've washed up to my neck, and that's done. So I just leave that. That's I didn't even need to use the other side, but these things are amazing. You just bung them in the washing machine. They come from Amazon. They got some massive label on them, and I cut it off because it gets scratched on my face. If you can hear something, I've still got the tin foil on the table to try and make my face look light and fresh, but I'm not sure if it's working. It just sounds like I'm cooking dinner. Anyway, right, okay, so that's that. Let me gather my thoughts. With this, like I said, this is like very cheap, very cheap, lasts ages. Caroline Hirons recommended this, and I've also used the Body Shop Chamomile cleanser. I didn't get on with that, and it's a bit more waxy, it's a bit stiffer. I just didn't think it did anything special, so I didn't use that one anymore. Try and get my mirror light again. But what I did used to use was the Hardie cleansing balm, Moringa cleansing balm. That's, I think it was like 56 quid or 80 quid, something around that. They had sales. That stuff is, my God, absolutely amazing. I haven't got any here. I've got some Hardie, something I'll show you in a minute, but that cleansing balm was just the most amazing smell, and it had tangerine or something in it, something orangey, and I don't like the smell of orange very much unless it's in chocolate. So yes, I used to use that all of the time, but then my situation changed and I needed to stop spending so much money on makeup and skincare, and I found that one, and I've probably used about 10 pots of that over the last 3 or 4 years, and it's seriously great. So yes, if you want, that's really good. So you can see now that my face is, I tend to always forget to lift it from my eyebrows, but yeah, so there we are. That's my skin, very clean, and I don't really particularly do anything fancy. I've got my next product, and I've been using this for probably since I started doing my makeup, the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toning Solution. I started with this one, Pixie, and this has actually just got that inside of it, but this has got a nice pumpy thing. It's filthy dirty, sorry, and that's really convenient. So that's just on my makeup desk. But what I'm actually going to use now is this, and I've been using this for ages, and it has made a massive difference. I think this is like £11 or something. I'll get a bit of a close up for you. Whoa. I used to use lactic acid as well, but that was from The Ordinary, but that smelled like vinegar and potatoes. That wasn't very, very nice. So yeah, so I run this over my face. I tend to miss my under eyes, not because I think sometimes when I'm getting ready in the morning, if I haven't taken my makeup off, it makes my eyes a little bit watery, and I've got watery eyes bad enough as it is. So that's that all around. I tend to go onto the back of my hands with that as well, if I haven't got a fake tan on, because I don't want to wipe my fake tan off. Angie from Hot Flash is always saying again, make sure you use all of your product up. So, and then I also use that little bit on the kitchen roll to wipe off the foundation from my table, because I just plop it on there and then I put it onto my fingers. So double whammy. Right, after that, now this is like every other day kind of thing. Ordinary, the buffet. This is filthy dirty. This is a multi-technology peptide serum. You know, I probably should spend a bit more. I don't use an eye cream or anything like that, but I just have a squirt of that. Squirt. Yeah. Plop it on. This is like more snot. Can you see? Bluey. Yeah, okay. This doesn't really smell of anything. Maybe a little bit vinegary, but it's probably quite old. All over. That's lovely. I'll put that on morning and night. And then once I've done that, in the mornings, I would put on now no oil or anything like that. In the mornings, I would just go straight in with the Curel moisturising facial milk. I absolutely love this stuff. This has taken over from my CeraVe. In the UK we can get CeraVe PM, but it hasn't got the special magic stuff in it. It's not the same, and they've got stickers all over it, and it doesn't work as well, and it's really expensive, and it's no better than anything else. So this is on offer in Boots at the moment. I'll link it down below. I love this. It's Korean and it's fantastic, and Johnny uses that as well. When I'm going to bed, I will use the Emma Hardie Moisture Rich Vitamin C cream, because you shouldn't use vitamin C when you're going out in the sun. So I'll put some of that on. Now this can do a little bit stingy. Hang on, do a little blob like that. It's quite funny because it kind of leaves a cast. I probably should be doing all of this, but I'm not going to, because again, it's real, isn't it? I rub all that in. I'll probably put a little bit too much on, but this is for bed. This is for bedtime. Again, avoiding my eye area. I need to do some eye cream. And from Angela Stewart Beauty said that we need to use eye cream. Again, the leftover bits on the back of my hand, because it's beautiful. And then after that, I will either use, this is again more ordinary stuff, not sponsored by the way. This is the cold pressed virgin marula oil. It doesn't smell of anything. It's just an oil. I'm not really sure what it does. It's nice for the back of your hands, and that's about £6. That's mega cheap. But recently I had some vouchers from Clarins, and this is, oh, what my camera's doing, some kind of tracking stuff. Blue Lotus 100% extracted de plants, Lotus treatment oil, 100% plant extracts for oily or combination skin. This smells amazing, and I'm going to put 2 drops on my hand, whack it in like that. Now this does smell like the Emma Hardie stuff, and oh my word, it's been a while since I've used this. Now I know obviously I've got a really oily skin, but I don't find it gets in the oil if I'm putting oil on, and that's lovely. I feels like I've just been... Oh, done. There we go. Back of your hands. And that's it. So you have to put your moisturiser on before you put your oil on, because... Jacob, Dolly! Because nothing can penetrate the oil once you put it onto your skin. Sorry. Once you put it onto your skin. So that's pretty much it, actually. That's what I do when I go to bed at night, and just kind of just leave it. And that's it. And then I wake up in the morning and I probably will do a... What will I do? I will do a getting skincare in the morning kind of thing. But I do most of my stuff at night. I still tend to get a little bit of residue on my eyelashes from the glue, but that's probably because, you know, it's been there for 50 years. And now I probably should put a towel on and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I just want to make sure that I've shown you everything. Did I show you the vitamin C? Yeah, I did show you the vitamin C. Reduces areas of dark pigmentation. I wanted to show you, I've noticed. I think this is from sun damage. Sorry, let me take that off. I'm not sure of what you can see. Right here, I've got an area here. Someone will tell me what it is. And here again, it's just strange, some marks. But you know, I'm 52 now. I had a birthday a week and a half ago or something like that. So yeah, my skin feels absolutely beautiful now. Really, obviously it's quite shiny, but yeah. So that's my evening routine. Get unready with me, take off everything. It's lovely to be back, and I'm probably going to film something else now because I'm back in the bug. I'll speak to you soon. Bye. Bye.